Hi everyone, welcome to Open Code channel. ഓക്കെ അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളൊരു പുതിയൊരു സീരീസ് ഓഫ് വീഡിയോ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി തീരുമാനിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ് ഈ വീഡിയോ എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ സ്പ്രിംഗ് ബൂട്ട്, സ്പ്രിംഗ് ഫ്രെയിം വർക്ക്, ഹൈബർനേറ്റ്, സ്പ്രിംഗ് സെക്യൂരിറ്റി, സ്പ്രിംഗ് ടാറ്റ JPA, ഓക്കെ, ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള കുറച്ച് കാര്യങ്ങളുണ്ട്. ലൈക്ക് നിങ്ങൾ ഡിഗ്രി കഴിഞ്ഞ് ഒരു ജോബിന് പോകുമ്പോൾ അതിന് മുന്നേ അറിഞ്ഞിരിക്കേണ്ട കുറച്ച് ഫ്രെയിം വർക്ക്സ്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഇതാണ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്ന സീരീസ് ഓഫ് വീഡിയോ. സോ ഇഫ് യു ലേൺ ദിസ്, നിങ്ങൾ ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി നിങ്ങൾക്കിത് വെൻ യു ഗോയിങ് ടു ജോയിൻ എ കമ്പനി ദേ വിൽ പ്രിഫർ ഫോർ യു. ലൈക്ക് if you know this, they will prefer you. So they will select you a bit faster than others. Okay. Before starting this video, I just wanted to make sure that you should know the prerequisites of this video series. So you should know the basics of Java, like OOPS concept, Java data types, object creation, constructor, etc. Like very basics of Java and the Java EE, I mean EE. So that means the basics of servlet, what is the HTTP request methods, how the HTTP request works, what is the server, what is the client. So these kind of things also will make understand this video much faster. Okay, അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്കിത് അറിയില്ലെങ്കിലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല, ലൈക്ക് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു തരാം. ഓക്കെ, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കമൻറ്റിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്താം. ലൈക്ക് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോസൊക്കെ ആവശ്യമുണ്ട്, ഇതൊന്നും അറിയില്ല, ഇതും പഠിക്കണം ഉള്ളതെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഓക്കെ, യു ക്യാൻ ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി മാർക്ക് ഇൻ ദി കമൻറ്റ് ലൈൻസ്. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് പിന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആവശ്യമുള്ളതെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ബിൽഡ് ടൂൾ ലൈക്ക് മാവൻ, ഗ്രേഡിൽ, ലൈക്ക് വൈസ്. ഓക്കെ, ദേ ആർ ബിൽഡ് ടൂൾസ്. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് is also one of the prerequisite. Okay, I'm not going deeper into that. Okay, and you need JDK. That's most important. 8+. I prefer 8. I'll be using 8. You can use 11, 14, 15. Anything is fine. Okay, and one of the IDE like IntelliJ, Eclipse, VS Code, anything. I'll be using IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, community version. Okay, so ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ തന്നെ most of the companies are using Spring framework for their projects. Okay, so if you coming from a college and if you are seeking for a job, they will ask definitely from the Java side. They will not ask from the Spring Boot, Hibernate, those kind of things. But if you mark it that in your resume that you know Java, Spring Boot, Spring Framework, Hibernate, those kind of things, yeah, definitely they will prefer you. So there will be a better chance to be hired. Okay, so as a first video, I'm just showing you how to create a REST API within 10 minutes using the Spring Boot. Okay, so നമുക്ക് തുടങ്ങാം. Okay, for that what we'll use is so there are multiple ways to create a Spring Boot project. So I'm just using one of them, Spring Initializer. Okay, so Spring Initializer.io, I mean start.spring.io. ഈ വെബ്സൈറ്റ് പോവാ, select the build tool, language, and Spring Boot version. I'll also change the group ID. I'm just changing the group ID. It's optional. You can choose anything what you require. Open.code. Okay, I'm just giving the group ID as that one. The artifact as a REST. Name also REST. And it's for REST. These all are optional. Okay. And I'm selecting the version as 8. Now I just wanted to add one dependency, that is verb and generate. That's it. So now the project is already ready and it's got download as a zip folder, and I'm just extracting it. extracted. Okay, so now it's extracting the downloads. I will just go open the IntelliJ OpenGI and that open REST. This is the project which is the downloads REST. Okay, and here REST project, new window. Okay, now this is a Maven project, so you can see that it's resolving the dependencies. So obviously നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചിലപ്പോൾ കൂടുതൽ ടൈം എടുത്തേക്കാം ഇത് ഇമ്പോർട്ട് ആവാൻ വേണ്ടി, since if you are doing this is as a first time. Okay, and after doing those all things we'll go inside the folders. Okay, you can see the structure of the folder, like we have the source folder and the main test and the Java folder, resources, and the application packages. Okay, I'm just creating a new package as a controller, and also one more packages as a DTO. Okay, in the DTO I'm just creating a new class as a person, and in the, I'm just adding some of the fields. So it's private string name, private string address, and private string code. Okay, so now I'm generating the constructors. Okay, one all are constructor, and one no are constructor. Also I'm generating getters and setters. Okay, so now our DTO clock is ready, and what I'm doing is I'm creating a controller new class under the controller package. Okay, so here I'm using the class name as person. Okay, and I'm just annotating. So this is the one of the easiest way, I mean, to the configure the Spring Boot application annotations. So there are many default annotations provided by Spring Boot applications. Okay, so I'm just adding the request path, request mapping. It's a class level request mapping, person, and I'm adding one method, person, return type, get, and I'm just adding another annotation as a get mapping. Okay, and I'm just returning a new object of person, new person with name Peter, and address as client comma code as 5674. Okay, so that's also as I'm given as a string. Instead of string I will be changing that to integer. Okay, okay, so now I need to change this as well, 673. Okay, so now our Spring Boot application is ready with one endpoint as a get mapping with path person. So you can see I'm giving it as a get mapping and the request mapping as a person, and it will be give us one API with get request as a person. Okay, so now that we have run the application, so it's easy to run the application. We'll go to the main class and click on the start, or yeah, right button, run the main method. Anything is fine. So you can see that the logs. So we'll see it is starting. So starting servlet engines, initializing Spring embedded web application context. Tomcat started on 8080. So we have a server started on the 8080 port. Okay, we'll check that whether it's working or not. Okay, so it's a localhost 8080 slash person. Got it. We got a JSON format. So this is how easy is a Spring Boot application to create a REST applications. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. So to see this as a JSON, yeah, we'll go to the networks and see that as a source preview. You can see that the response as a JSON. Okay, yeah, we are good to go. So we have made a Spring Boot application within a 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and we have made one API as well. Simple. It's that simple. So that's the reason all the companies are using this. So okay, so this was my first video, and yeah, very soon we will start the series of the video, so you will be able to get a job very easily. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I'm just stopping the application. Yeah, so right now you will be not able to get the response again. Yeah, it's just, yeah, now it's a fail because we have stopped the server. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching the video. We'll come back with the series of video. Thank you. Bye bye.